Welcome back my channel. Just relax. You're here now, in a peaceful space. Let the world slow down around you. Take a deep breath, and let it out gently. You are safe. You are calm. You are completely relaxed. I'm going to begin now. Just gentle touches, tiny sounds, only for you. Focus on the sound of my gloves. Soft and careful, as I prepare to clean each ear. Deeply, carefully, soothingly. Left side first. A little brushing, so soft, almost like a feather. Do you hear that? That's the sound of care. Each movement is slow, gentle, intentional. Now I'm going a bit deeper. Scritch, scritch, tiny movements, almost like the whisper of a leaf. Feel the tension melt away. With every soft scrape, this isn't just cleaning, it's connection, it's calm. Let's pause for a second. A moment of stillness. Can you feel that? The warmth. The peace inside your ears. Like a whisper just for you. Now the right side. I'm just adjusting my tools. Nothing sharp, nothing harsh, only soft, satisfying sounds. TCK, TCK. A gentle probe, not too deep, not too fast, just enough. Every click, every scratch. Designed to soothe, designed to melt stress. From your mind, you may feel a little tingling now. On your neck, down your back. That's the magic of being cared for. Close your eyes if you want. Let yourself drift to a quieter place. I'm switching tools now. Listen closely. TK TK TK. This one's a little firmer. Perfect for that deep clean. But still gentle, still calm, still just for you. Now, both ears together. Soft strokes, mirrored sounds. A perfect balance. Feel the harmony. Each movement tuned to relax every part of you. There's a little wax, but don't worry, I'm removing it carefully. Every speck gone, with gentle, skilled hands. Can you hear it? That tiny crinkle? That's